This is the plaintiff, Ava Narshett. She says the defendant, her ex-boyfriend, who vandalized her car and sent her baby's father explicit videos and photos of them having sexual relations, is a vindictive guy who has to be taught a lesson. He owes her $4,400, and she's here suing him today for just that. This is the defendant, Steve Battle. He says he categorically denies the allegations the plaintiff's suing him for. He didn't vandalize her car. He didn't send the videos they made together because they were private. She made up all these things and posted them to his Facebook account because she had his password. He's been damaged by the false things she posted, and if anyone's owed money today, it's him. He's accused of disrespecting an ex. The defendant has filed a countersuit for $2,500 for defamation of character.
All parties, please adjourn. Be seated and come to order, please. I'll go. Yes, ma'am. Litigants have been sworn, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ava Narshett, you are suing your former boyfriend, Stephen Battle, for $4,400 in damages to your car and emotional distress for damaging your car as well as sending revenge porn.
Yes, ma'am.
What's going on?
Yes.
You have a counterclaim against her for defamation that we'll get into in a moment. Go ahead.
Yes. March 16th, well, I've known Mr. Battles now for a year and better.
How long were you going out?
A year. I purchased my car on March 16th. As soon as I purchased it, I was super excited because Mr. Battles, he made fun of my 2002 red Honda that I had prior to it. He called it scrap metal. He made fun of it. So, I had a little extra. So you go out and you buy
a 2015 what?
Ford Focus.
Okay.
Yes. So I went out and bought the Ford Focus.
Then he comes over to your house.
Yes.
And you guys are there all night.
Yes.
You got your brand new car outside.
Yes.
Everybody's happy until somebody's
happy.
not. What happened? You guys got into a fight.
Yes, around like maybe 3 a.m. in the morning.
Nothing good happens at 3 a.m. What happened?
3 a.m. in the morning, we had a disagreement.
About what?
I don't know. I guess
About what?
I mean, I don't remember till now. I really
Nobody remembers what it was about.
It was something childish.
She asked me to leave.
Why?
I guess she didn't want me there no more. I guess she had company coming.
You think she had company coming?
I mean,
at 3 in the morning.
She came and picked me up from my home, to come to her place, and then 3 in the morning she told me, "You gotta go, get it." So I'm like, "Huh? I gotta go." So I said, "I'm not going nowhere right now." So I went in the couch. I took the blanket off and went in the couch and laid down on the couch. She put all her clothes on, ran in there. "No, you getting out. You getting out of here."
Is that accurate?
That is true, ma'am.
That's what the argument was about? Why were you trying to get him out at 3 in the morning?
Honestly, the argument was we had a beautiful night. Everything ended swell. And, laying in bed, maybe a conversation went a bit left. It was rude of me to do, but I did want him to leave. I did. Okay, so he did end up leaving. He left his cell phone behind.
Okay. So you come back with the police
Right.
to get your cell phone?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you tell the police?
I told the police I didn't know where his cell phone was at in the home,
Go ahead.
She didn't even open the door. It took him, I don't know, about at least 15 minutes to even get her to open the door, I guess,
And then she opens the door.
I mean, I guess she...
And then what happened?
She told the police, "I don't know where it's at. It's in here somewhere."
Did the police let you come in and look for it or no?
That's not my place.
They just told you go?
No.
Now, he did leave his cell phone, didn't he?
Yes, he did.
Okay. And
Yes, he
where
did.
was his cell phone?
In the bed.
Did you do anything with it, though?
I went through it.
And did what?
That was it. I just went through it.
Did you post anything?
Yes, I did.
What did you post? You hacked into his Facebook account and you pretended to be him and did what?
I posted the photos of my car.
Well, wait, we're not at your car yet.
Oh, that didn't happen that same night. That didn't happen that night.
Okay, let's back it up.
I didn't go find his phone that night.
When did you find his phone?
The next day.
Okay.
The next day.
And the next day, you also arrive at another conclusion. When you walk outside, what do you see?
Yes, I found my car. The front window was bashed out, the back window was bashed out, and the side door, front driver's door and back door was dented.
Okay.
It was
what
a trash
time did you discover that?
12 in the afternoon.
Had you been, do you know when that happened, though?
It had to be in the course of the night. It had to be in the course of the night.
Could it have been in broad daylight at 11 a.m.?
No.
Why not?
I wouldn't assume so.
Okay. Were you sleeping until noon?
Yes.
Okay. So you come out at noon and then you see your car. Do you have pictures of your car?
Yes, I do.
May I see them? So when you see your car in that condition, you assume it's him who did it because you had this terrible fight and the police were involved and you had his phone still.
Yes, I purchased my car at 7 p.m. I picked Steven up around 11, 12 o'clock. He spent all night with me. No one else knew I had a car. No one else knew I bought a car. I did not post my car on Facebook.
No other cars were
Social
damaged
me-
along the...
No, just mine. I have
Did you
no...
vandalize this lady's car?
No, ma'am.
So who do you think might have done such a thing on the night that you were thrown out and were with the police
Well, actually-
outside at 3 in the morning and she wouldn't return your phone?
Okay, well, maybe the person who she's trying to throw me out for probably did that to her car.
Why? They were welcome.
No, I was still...
Assuming there was someone else she was throwing you out for, that person was welcome.
But I wasn't...
So they're not mad.
I mean, I'm still there, though. That would get a perfect excuse. That's her word.
The only person who knows she bought the car is you.
I mean, only...
All right, so now tell me about the revenge porn.
Yes, okay, about that. I'm gonna start by saying, Mr. Battle sent videos and, inappropriate things intimate things that we did with one another to my father's son.
To your son's father.
To my son's father.
Oh
yes.
my gosh, to send it to your brother would be really sick.
No.
All right,
Okay.
so
let's get this right. Okay, yes.
To your son's father.
Bit nervous, yes.
When
Yes.
did he do that?
That was in January.
Okay, so he didn't do that after the car thing.
No, not after
He
the car
did that months before the car thing.
Yes, that was in January.
How do
January
you
the
know
23rd.
he did that?
I have the messages from my baby father of him doing these things.
Just stop a second.
Okay.
Does that include, I don't want to look at your video, but I want to know that it came from him because you
Yes.
deny having done that.
Yes.
Do you deny having done that?
I had a phone. I mean,
Did you send intimate videos of you and her to her baby's father?
it wasn't no video. It was a picture.
Oh, did you send intimate pictures of you and her to her baby's father?
Ma'am,
Is that a yes?
yes, I did.
Yeah.
But the thing
Because
was
you
this-
lied about it in your answer to the complaint. You said, that's between us and I would never do that. So you apparently did send pictures.
No, I sent a picture. It was in her phone. I mean, me and her text backwards and forward. I sent all this stuff to her phone. So, I mean, I'm talking to her saying...
I'm sorry, sir. My question's so simple.
You're right.
Did you text
Yes, ma'am.
nasty pictures of you and her to her baby's father?
I
Yes or
sent
no?
I sent a picture then.
How many pictures did you send?
I sent 2.
2, not 1 like you just said under oath a second ago. 2, not none like you said it under oath in your answer to the complaint. You sent 2 pictures, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do you say it's more than 2 pictures?
Yes.
Do you say it's a video?
Yes.
Do you have evidence of that?
Yes.
May I see the evidence of that?
Welcome back to the People's Court. Harvey Levin here. Should revenge porn be a crime? Crime.
Absolutely.
Because?
It can ruin someone's life.
That's a fair point.
Yes, I think it should be a crime. You're exposing someone and it's not okay.
What do you say?
Oh, absolutely. It's disgusting, and like she said, it ruins people's lives. I mean, you don't want your kids seeing that stuff on the internet. It's just horrible.
Fair enough. And actually, there's a move afoot on this. Going inside the courtroom.
Look at your wifely drippy. I don't even know what that means. What's that mean? It was too long to show all. Who's saying that?
That's him saying that. Yes, that's his Facebook, the first photo.
Personal slut. You can have her back. Shaking my head. Satisfaction guaranteed indeed. All right.
I mean, can I say something, please, Judge?
Yeah, some of these are videos.
I mean, what I'm saying
I
is...
can tell because there's a big old triangle on the pictures.
For the record, that was a video she's taking.
I don't care.
But I'm just trying to explain to you where it came
No,
from.
I'm trying to explain to you that I don't get how you take an intimate video with her and send it to her baby's father to cause her problems
I didn't send
and
it to-
broadcast it.
I
And
didn't
I'm
send it-
also trying to understand how he does that in January and you're still with him in March. Apparently you weren't as offended as I am, or as you want me to be now.
It was not to my better judgment, Your Honor.
Yeah,
But-
I'll say. Now you have a counterclaim against her for $2,500 for defamation of character. Talk to me.
Well, ma'am, she posted 3 posts on my Facebook and my LinkedIn account.
On what
saying,
day?
On the 17th.
which is the same day as the car purchase or the next day?
The
next
that
day.
morning, yeah.
Right. So she apparently found your phone that she told the police she didn't know where it was. And then she starts posting as though she's you on Facebook, and what is she saying?
I'm gonna kill myself. I love her this much. This is what she posted on my Facebook. Well, I love
Do
her.
you have any evidence of that to show me?
At the race, but I have three people that I have numerous people that came calling my phone like recklessly, calling, "What's going on? You okay?" My Facebook.
Okay, I'm sorry,
No,
but
I
hold
don't,
on.
man. I don't
You
have
want me to award you $2,500, and you do not have the actual "I'm going to kill myself."
No, that came off Facebook because it wasn't supposed to be on there anyway. Certain languages, vulgar, and certain things would be erased.
Right, but you're trying to prove your counterclaim.
But I can.
Do you have anything to show me to prove your counterclaim?
Not that. No, I don't. Man. Only thing I have is a picture of her car. She said on that caption, it says, "This is what you do when you're in love with a person." That was the caption on that one.
Okay, so there was a caption on the picture that said, "This is what you do when you're in love with a person," and then after that, "I'm going to kill myself. I love her so much," etc. Is that what you did?
Yes, I did, ma'am.
How long was it out there before you solved it?
At least, I mean, I logged onto my computer. She called me at around 12:30. It was on a Sunday, matter of fact. I remember vividly. I was on a Sunday. I went downtown like 4 or 5 o'clock. That's when I actually got in there myself. I got to my laptop, and that's when I went in there.
And that would have been immediately after you received a phone call from someone?
Yes.
All right. As to your lawsuit against him, I find you entitled to the $1,000 deductible. I believe that he did it. This isn't a criminal case where it has to be proven to the exclusion of every reasonable doubt. This is a more likely than not. What have we got? The car is purchased that day. There aren't that many people who know you purchased the car that day. We've got the two of you getting into some massive fight where you throw him out at 3 in the morning and he's angry. He comes back with the police. That's how angry he is, because he left his phone inside when he left. You tell him, "I don't have his phone. I'm not, nope, there's no, hold on, let me go look and see if his phone's there." There's just, "I don't have his phone." And the police say, "Tough for you." If not you, then who? It is you. I know it's you. I know it's you because you're the kind of guy who, when you get mad, does really extreme stuff. And I know that because 2 months earlier, what you did was share with the baby's father your intimate videos of you and her.
Well, actually,
Don't talk. There's no question pending for you. And what do? You're so outraged that you laugh about it and go back with him. Whatever money I find you entitled to for the revenge porn that he sent your baby's father, that's the same amount I find him entitled to for you hacking into his social media and pretending he was a suicidal maniac. Those cancel each other out, and my net judgment is in your favor for the damage to the car, $1,000 verdict for the plaintiff.
Well, the plaintiff does prevail. She gets the deductible for the insurance, $1,000, because the judge does believe you damaged her car. What do you think?
Judge.
That's a profound statement. You're right. She is the judge. You said you lost work, but yet that wasn't up on your Facebook account very long.
Right.
It was only a couple hours at the most. Do you think that was enough to cause you to lose work?
I believe it was.
And it was a Sunday. Who's looking for,
I mean, it's social media.
I know,
people
but it
want
wasn't
it all
up there very
day.
long.
I mean, people want it all day.
All right.
All day right
Shame
now.
you couldn't prove it, because maybe you'd been able to get some money, but you couldn't. You need the evidence. Sorry about that. All right. Thank you very much. All right, Ms. Narchette. You understand what the judge was saying to you and why she made her verdict?
Yes, I do.
You got it?
Yeah.
Did you get your car fixed? You still have it?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Well, at least you got that. I gather it's totally over between the two of you, right? All right. Thank you very much. You
Okay.
will sign a few documents. We appreciate that. Harvey, what do you think?
You know, we talked about this a little while ago, but there actually is a move, because people do this online, to make it a federal crime, and there are a lot of celebrities who are actually going to Congress advocating to make this a felony.